Hi everyone, today we're checking out the Nisorpa Folding Bar Stool, a 24-inch tall stool perfect for counters. This portable chair features a comfortable backrest and footrest for added support during use. It's designed with a sturdy frame that can hold up to 300 pounds, making it reliable and durable. Whether you need a seat for outdoor camping, your kitchen, shop, or cafe, this stool folds easily for convenient transport and storage. The lightweight design means you can take it anywhere without hassle. Its compact fold allows you to save space when not in use, making it ideal for small areas. Overall, the Nisorpa Folding Bar Stool is a versatile and practical seating solution for many settings. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.